Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Stadia is a cloud-based video game streaming service. You don't need to buy a game console. Instead, processing is handled, in the cloud, by Google's hardware in a data center, and streamed to you instantly. Your inputs are then instantly beamed back to the computer elsewhere.
Take our lead.
Overall, Stadia has a lot of promise and it's off to a better start than some would have you believe. It's also not going to kill PC or consoles. It is, however, a huge step forward in the future of gaming, and it should be a nice addition to all the ways we can play games.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Xbox One X comes out on top. Google Stadia is a cloud game streaming service that promises a 10.7 teraflops gaming console you can access on your 4K display or your smartphone. On paper, Stadia games should look much better than what Xbox One X offers, but that doesn't appear to be the case.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Originally answered, could Google Stadia really replace all other gaming consoles? In this current state, it cannot replace all other gaming consoles. It isn't a console. It is only a controller with a Chromecast.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.